Hi, welcome to Cree News. We will get you our company developing news. I'm BT Ashokkumar. These are the headlines. Our CPP site's electrical team won silver medal on 29th CCQC. Our operation team had avoided a major problem at the KPPL site. Our C&D team got appreciation from client at the Jharsuguda CPP site. Let's see the news details.
Our CPP site's electrical team won silver medal on 29th CCQC held at Rockela for erecting the new electrical maintenance box near reservoir tank. We all know well that the ash formed at thermal power plants is sent to ash pond, which is far away through pipes. While sending the ash, so if any obstacles occurred during to the leakage or blockage on pipes, welding machines was needed to rectify the same, and in order to provide power to the welding machine, we used to fix 200-meter cables temporarily, due to which more wastage of time and manpower were consumed, and also the reliability of GO was in question. Our electrical team decided to rectify the same by erecting new electrical maintenance box and collected the necessary spares from client. After that, 700-meter level cable and new electrical maintenance box got fixed near reservoir tank. This effective act lead to reduced timing on rectifying of GO lines, and wastage of manpower also got reduced. The reliability of GO2 got assured. Relocating the PH01 DB02 unbalanced motor. While unloading the ash from PH01 DB02 at our CPP site, due to the performance impairment of unbalanced motor, more wastage of time and manpower were consumed to load the ash into truck. Our electrical team examined the source and explained about the importance of relocating the motor from current place in a proper way and got approval. After obtaining the approval, our team collected the necessary spare parts and relocated the motor, which ensured the performance of DB02 and reduced the duration of loading. Through the above excellent works, our electrical team had participated in the Convention in Quality Concept CCQC and won 2 silver medals. Site's higher officials convey their appreciation to our electrical team for this notable victory. Our operation team had avoided a major breakdown at KPPL site. Unloading was carried out from MV Apridinary pet coke vessel on 14/10/2021 from 11 pm, and stacking was done by 3:05 pm of next day, 15/10/2021 in CSR2. At that time, the belt joint in RD2 yard conveyor got cracked on running. Our field operator, Mr. Deepak Kumar, had seen the same and stopped the conveyor system by pulling cord, due to which the major breakdown in RD2 yard conveyor got evaded. After that, a mechanical team inspected the RD2 belt and completed the belt cut and joint work. Further, our resident manager, Mr. Deepak Kumar, mechanical team and operation team highly appreciated our field operator, Mr. K. Deepak Kumar, for avoiding the big breakdown in advance. Our C&I team got appreciation from client at JSG CPP site. Mr. Chandrakant Panda, C&I head of Miss Vedanta, came to know about the magnificence and uses of the critical equipment trip alertness modification in ESP control room at Phase 1 and Phase 2 and greatly appreciated our C&I team for the same. Actually, the slurry pond in Phase 1 got pump leakage, pond overflow and motor failure through water overflow problems frequently occurs. Hence, our C&I team provided logic implement and a HOTA alerter for critical equipment trip alertness. Before this, common alarm was used. In order to reduce the wastage of time on rectifying the repairs, introduced the critical equipment trip alertness and succeeded. Apart from that, appreciated in CCQC and won the gold award for this LQC project. Knowing this achievement, our resident manager, Mr. R. Ashok Kumar, and deputy resident manager, Mr. Saravanan, highly appreciated our C&I team.
These are the developed news from Crew. Subscribe YouTube channel Crew Media. Thanks for watching.